The subject of the Welsh language is certainly a hot topic at the moment, with new Cardiff streets to be given Welsh names and the possible new bilingual naming of the Senedd. One Cardiff business in particular, which is proud and dedicated to its bilingualism, is Bodlon, a shop and website with 3 sites in the city. We spoke with owner Nia Evans.
It took me quite a while to come up with a name, and it had to be something Welsh and easy to pronounce. And Bodlon is Welsh for happy and contented, satisfied. We hope that most of our customers are happy when they do come in through the door. Being bilingual is the be-all and end-all, really. It's being a Welsh speaker, first language Welsh speaker. If I can do anything to promote Welsh in the city, then so be it.
And despite only 16.2% of Cardiffians being able to at least write, speak or understand the language, Nia is channeling her energy on encouraging as much Welsh as possible.
80% of our staff speak Welsh, and we do encourage Welsh speakers to come in for a coffee and a chat, and we will sit down and chat to them.
But where does Nia stand when it comes to introducing new Welsh signage on streets and in stores?
There should be Welsh, bilingual signs everywhere, in all shops. If I see a new shop with purely English signs, I personally am not very happy. Even if it's just a token, it's croeso, welcome, just something small. That means a lot to a Welsh person.
But in regards to the new naming of the Senedd, former First Minister Karen Jones has said that 2 names should be adopted because a lot of people would be confused by the Welsh-only name. But what does Nia think?
What is wrong with the word Senedd? It's easy to pronounce. It's what we're used to. We know the building as the Senedd. Why change?